In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Unbounce using Canva. We're going to walk through the process from designing your page in Canva, all the way to bringing that design into Unbounce so it's ready to publish. By the end, you'll understand not just what to click, but why you're doing each step, so you can confidently repeat this process for future campaigns. First, open Canva and create a new design. For best results, choose a custom size that's close to a typical landing page width, like around 1200 pixels wide. This helps your design translate more cleanly into Unbounce. Start with a blank canvas or a simple website or landing page template. Then customize the layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Keep things clean and focused. A strong headline, a short subheading, a clear call to action, and minimal distractions. As you design, think in sections. A hero section at the top, maybe a benefits or features area, social proof like testimonials, and a final call to action near the bottom. Keeping elements aligned in simple rows and columns will make it easier to recreate or slice your design later in Unbounce. Avoid tiny text and overly detailed backgrounds, because they can be harder to work with when you move things over. Once you're happy with your design, export it from Canva. The most common approaches are either exporting the entire page as a high-quality PNG or breaking it into sections. Exporting by sections, such as the hero, features, and footer separately, gives you more flexibility inside Unbounce and usually performs better than using one giant image. Make sure the resolution is high enough to look sharp, but not so large that the file size becomes heavy and slows down your page. Now, head over to your Unbounce account and create a new landing page. You can start from a blank template to match your Canva layout more closely, or select a simple existing template and strip out what you don't need. In the Unbounce editor, you'll see a drag and drop interface. This is where you'll bring your Canva visuals to life. Upload the images you exported from Canva into the Unbounce image library, then drag them onto the page. Position each section where it belongs, stacking them vertically to mirror your original design. Add text boxes on top if you want editable text instead of text embedded in the images. This is better for SEO and makes future edits easier. Place your form or button elements where your calls to action are in the Canva design, and link them to your desired destination or conversion goal. Finally, preview your landing page and test it on desktop and mobile views. Make small adjustments to spacing, font size, and alignment so everything looks clean and professional. When you're satisfied, save and publish your page, and your Canva-designed landing page is now live in Unbounce.